I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I thought I would share with you some of the Halloween fall items, but I did see that the Christmas fall is up, so I will share that all the goodies that I see here with you as well. But they have so much Halloween still. If you're needing to buy things, definitely buy them up now because in the coming weeks they will go quickly, especially these solar lights. All their wall signs here. These ones with the ghost, and then I know they had one with a pumpkin as well. Maybe that one is already sold, but here are a ton of Christmas decorations already. So I know some of you are looking for the white bell. They don't have any, just the glittery bell, but they have these cute little gnomes, so be mindful of that. They have little patterns that are different from one another. These are new this year. Metal bear. Can do a cute Christmas decor with that, maybe attaching it to a piece of wood. These are so pretty with the silver beads, and you can find that in the party supply area as well if you need them for other DIYs. These would be cute customized. Even these little gift boxes, you can customize them with a name. Let's see what I can do with this one. Last year I bought a few of these ornament ball sets for making cluster balls, and I shared that as a DIY, and I love the way it looked on my Christmas tree. Maybe I'll link that down below in case you want to do that this year as well. Kind of like a bauble effect. These are cute. They light up. They're LED lights. Okay, so a sneak peek through the Halloween stuff, maybe one last view. I don't know. Are you tired of Halloween things yet? I'm curious to know if these little trees sold out as quickly as the Halloween ones do, because I've now spotted them at a couple stores. I love these little fabric treat bags, and the reason why is because you can customize them with some vinyl in a cutting machine. Look, they have white pumpkins. I don't think I've seen these anywhere else. Nope, it's the first time. I don't know if I should grab them or if I should just work with the orange ones that I already purchased. Oh man. Cute socks as well. So these little cupcake picks are perfect for paper crafting as well, or, deconstructing them and using them as little embellishments. I love these bags. They did a really nice job with the vibrant colors on them. So they have a nice selection of wood that you can paint or stain, add some of your own words with your cutting machine. They have some gorgeous stickers this year. I do think that they did a great job with some of these from the Crafters Square line. Really well done. Anyone making pocket letters or paper crafts, look, they even have these journaling card sets. Now, I don't find that the quality is the best on here. Like, you could print something on your home computer maybe that's to your liking and aesthetic, but at least they're available. You can manipulate them. I love this set. It's so cute. The little boo, or the little ghost, I should say. And then they have these kind of unique prints. I shared this with you guys, I think, recently in a little reel. They have the apples, acorn. Yeah, acorns here. Super cute. No pumpkins, though. I don't think so. Oh, and the salt and pepper shakers. You can spray paint these or paint them with some acrylic paint and then turn them into decor. I'm actually thinking I should grab some of these confetti packs because I'm making shaker pockets and it's always good to have a little extra something. Oh, the pillows are fully stocked here. And black carvable pumpkins. Has anyone done anything with the black ones? And they have the mini hay. These are so cute. These are the Jolie stickers, and they're a newer find and not always available. So they have little Christmas packages, which are super cute with the tiny gingerbread. And then these are newer. I've seen these before and shared them with you. They're embossed though. You purchase this metal pack that is a little dated, but you could use some of the other ones. And then they have the resin accents, which I've shared with you. There's unicorns, a little one, leaves. They have a lot of the Crafters Square vinyl. For a while, this was selling really fast and flying off the shelves, but now they've maintained a nice stock. I don't know if they're just receiving more on a regular basis or if people are not buying it as frequently. We'll go for a walk. I always like taking a look at their new ribbon. Also, if they have sometimes some new little toys and stuff are down this section, because by the birthday party supplies. See, look at this. It's so 90s. Reminds me of the their toy for the toy houses, but they remind me of like those inflatable 90s chairs and stuff. I don't know if you remember them. Anyways, I'm dating myself, but that is how it goes. Oh, time doesn't stop for any of us. What else is here? The little, oh, this is a little pouch, little zipper pouch. And then they have the regular Snappets. Oh my gosh, my kiddos loved Arthur when they were little. I loved Arthur's books, and then they watched the cartoon when they were little. These became available around November last year, and they were flying off the shelf for Christmas. There's the full box, so keep in mind this is double the amount. But anyways, they have a whole bunch of new things for Trolls and Minions. I saw some of these booklets with Minion stickers, and they're really well done. I have to say the stickers are pretty good quality. They're nice and vibrant, and I think it'd be a great little stocking stuffer if you have a Troll or a Minion lover. Is Baby Shark still a thing? These are little tins, which would be a nice storage container as well later on. I don't know if I really love the idea of the puzzles being in disposable plastic. I don't know. Maybe it's good. You can recycle it, but I like having a box for my puzzles. This drawer has a nice selection of wreaths. There's a pumpkin wreath left. I know some of you have been looking for them and have been having difficulty finding them. These are just plain. Sometimes they have nice ones with prints, but take a quick look here at the yarn, because this time of year some of you like to purchase the yarn and create some beautiful pieces. Does anyone try or use the yarn from here, and have they had success using it from Dollar Tree yarn? I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.